What up guys, but in this video I'm just going to teach you guys how to use Motion AI. The difference is that it has AI employees that you get. That is what makes it different from Reclaim AI. Now it's a pretty good tool. I don't want to waste you guys time. You guys already know me for this. I just want to get right into it. Now before we get right into it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that share button, and also comment the video you guys want me to create next. This is it right here. I have a link to it in the description below. You click the link, you'll arrive on a dashboard like this. You have to sign up first, obviously. In Motion AI, what we're going to do with today are the AI employees. So I'm just going to click on AI employees and add, to one that goes to my Gmail, runs automatically and everything. So I'm going to click on add AI employee, or you can also add a new skill. So I'm just going to click on add AI employee. So now the person I have right here is Fred. I can have Chip. So let's say I want Millie, for example. Millie is a project manager. So I'm just going to click on create employee. Millie will be created. Now we can have automated skill, so project cleaner upper. So Millie will take a look at my projects and clean it up. Or decision maker. At the end of meetings, Millie will analyze meetings. So I'm just going to click on create custom skill. So I don't have any of that. You can go ahead and watch this video if you like, or just click on continue. So you come in here and create the first skill. So this skill activates when the trigger counts. So choose trigger. I'll just say run on a schedule. So define when the skill should run. Let's just say every Friday at 10 a.m. So you can go here, just wait for it's gonna save. Okay, saved. The next thing, add your first step. I'll say create, let me just say, let me see what I'll need. Create calendar event. Now you don't have to do all this, obviously they already have set things that you can do, but I'm just trying to show you guys. Create calendar event. So I'll just say create an event that prompts me to go to the gym. I says you can pick the model you want here. You can pick whether it's Anthropic. Right now it's Anthropic that we're using, so you can pick whether it's OpenAI or anything else. You get that right there. I'm gonna X out of this, so don't try to fit too much into one step. So add the second step. Once it does that, it's gonna send a notification in my Motion inbox. So send a notification to let me know gym time. You can always pick the model you want. I'm just going with the default model here. You can always pick anything you want, and then you want to wrap up your step. So the step of them wrap up, I'll just say Motion Assistant. What would you like to do next? Or I don't want the action to be Motion Assistant. I want it to be something else. So you can always change it from here at action. So I want it to say AI instructions, but be best workout today. Okay. So let me switch this up real quick. Today is Thursday. Every Thursday at okay. So that's done. I'm just going to click on create AI skill. For the final error, the errors. Oh, sorry, I never knew my skill in gym. And then create AI skill. Run AI skill. Test skill. As you guys can see, it takes coins whenever you use it, because it usually utilizes credit. So it takes credit whenever obviously you run anything. All right. So it tells me right now, gym time reminder is gym time. Get ready to crush your workout with this quick checklist. Pack your water, gear, and all that. And then so you can see gym reminder, workout notes, pack your workout gear, fill up your water bottle. Time to hit the gym. And so it gives me what does more to do. Quick warm up, 5 to 8 minutes. Do this before the workout. The whole night, full body strength, 20 to 30 minute hit, cardio. Godly. I shouldn't choose the whole thing in one day, but I get to choose one out of all this. Obviously, I don't have to do all this, right? I get to choose one out of all that except the cooldown and the warm-up. So you guys can see it's a pretty good tool. And let's go back real quick. All right, so we have right here, we have Millie, and then we have Alfred. Alfred himself pretty much just helps me properly label my emails. So you can also add another employee again. So we got Millie, we got Alfred, and let's go with someone that's automated. So Chip, Adam Sales, and AI researcher. Okay, let's go with Suki. Suki is an AI marketing associate. Everybody needs a marketer. So let's go with Suki. So Suki can say social media listener. So monitors, web, and everything, and opportunities requiring attention. At the beginning of it, they give me ideas for what I can post about today based on my company and other online trade. So let's see. Let's go with social media listener. So the keyword to monitor for is artificial intelligence. Okay, so then you select where you want it to report it to. I want it to go to my private workspace. It's cool. And then it's gonna work for me. Okay, would you like to use this skill now? I'll say use skill.
roster.
She's gonna search all over the web for everything. So as you guys can see, Motion AI differs from Reclaim AI in the fact that Motion AI itself, you get AI employees. So we Reclaim AI, obviously, you're the one setting up your own calendar and everything, but automates it. Same with Motion AI, automates it to your calendar. You're gonna connect your Google account to this way to signing up, and or your Microsoft Outlook account to this way of signing up. That is the main difference between Motion and Reclaim. So if you're a person that you kind of need project assistance and all of that, virtual assistants, Motion AI will help you out. All right, so it was able to run me some of the things that I needed. So it says low GPA but very passionate in AI. So let's look at it. It got me a bunch of insights from social media to everything else. So this is one it got from social media. As you guys can also see, it's the latest one. So you see 1023. Today's 1023. That's today that I recorded the video. Then the findings is showing the same thing. Content summary, let's see, Reddit insights, so script Reddit, and it's gonna send me to different subreddits that talk about different things that do with AI. So you guys can see these AI assistants are very good, and you can always schedule whatever you want to schedule on here. So pretty good, and it takes up a lot of credit to 124 in credits. That's how much it took, and you can always run as many as you want. You can also add as many employees as you want. Now, speaking of credits, you have this right here. I have a lot because I'm subscribed to one of top plans. So let's go straight into the pricing.
I'm gonna click on this.
You're showing right here, it says out of 12,000 credits, I've already used 2,398. That's a lot. The credit itself costs money, and that's what is used to run their system. It makes sense considering the fact that a lot of people end up using their AI employees more than any other thing. So it's better that they stay on the credit system than anything else. So let us get right into the pricing. Okay. All right, so they have two pricing tiers. They have a monthly pricing tier and an annual pricing tier. They have a monthly pricing tier right here. Let me just show you guys what it is, because a lot of you end up paying for that one more than anything else. So with their monthly pricing tier, AI Workspace and AI Employee Starter is not available, but AI Employees Lite is available. I personally feel that if you're a person who uses AI employees, this should not be a problem for you, because you know how much you'll be spending if you have to outsource a lot of this. So seats, you get 3 seats. For $9.33 per seat, you get 25,000 credits. You get an AI chat, AI project tasks, AI calendars and meeting, AI docs, AI dashboards and reports. You get, so these are the AI assistants you get: AI sales representative, AI customer support, AI marketing associate, AI recruiter, AI project manager, AI HR and legal assistant. You get all this on the AI Employees Lite plan. On the AI Employee Standard plan, you get 10 seats, 100,000 credits. You get everything else here on the side, and then you get on the AI Employees Plus is $894. You get all this right here on the side with 250,000 credits, and then they also have their custom plan. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys comment what you want me to create next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys next.